Hello, welcome back. So two Lego Friends 2026 sets are revealed, and this one it's Unicorn Dream Cafe, and as you can see it's so colorful, and Paisley has some new outfits, and I think Alia is wearing the same clothes from like this year. Yeah, you know the clothes. I know you don't remember that one, right? And there's this little girl, like a blonde haired girl. And there's a unicorn, and yeah, it has like legs. That looks so cute, right? Like on top of the cafe, and it has like, like hairs, kind of like that, like pink, yellow, and blue, and it's like going down all the way down in front of the door, like to the front of the door. So maybe inside it's gonna be kind of like a carpet. I'm not so sure because the inside photos are not yet revealed, but it's a cafe, so we have lots of things to eat as well. And it's kind of blurry at the moment, so I can't see it very clearly, but at least we know how it's gonna look like, right? So another one is also revealed, and this one luckily it's very clear. So it's Garden Bunny House, and it's very colorful, and at the background we also have Paisley's house, and it looks just so cute, right? I love this. It's very colorful, and the pants that she's wearing right now, I think she's going to wear the same pants on the Unicorn Dream Cafe set as well. So these two sets are the sets that are revealed, and I can't wait to see the rest of the sets. So this is the end of the video. See you next time. Bye bye.